Hey, Sneekylinux, back in the house. Today with Mageia 3, as promised. Yeah, I promised. I had to redo the video for a certain reason, and I'll go into them in a little while. Now, Mageia, or Mageia, whatever we're going to call it, is originally based on Mandriva, which was based on Mandrake. We're going back in the day, okay? This is the KDE version, and even though I'm not a KDE fan, it's rather nice to be honest. Very, very nice indeed. I can't really fault it, apart from a couple of things. The actual distro itself, and I'll tell you what, I'm going to tell you straight away. One of the main things is, you got to sound really, they're using Pulse now for audio, but Pulse doesn't actually work correctly. Okay, so you can't actually use certain things like their own desktop recorder. Okay, does not work. Okay. Does not work, no. For the simple reason it puts the wrong codecs in there. It presumes that you already have the codecs installed and you haven't. And so I'll go to settings, like, this is this base settings. If you haven't got all these codecs installed, it ain't going to do it. And I'll put the codecs in and it still won't do it, okay? So, got rid of that, mate. That don't work. It'd be nice if it did work, though, wouldn't it? Because then KDE would have its own sort of desktop recorder, which would be very, very nice for KDE environmental. Install my NVIDIA drivers straight away. Yeah, straight away. Yeah, I mean straight away. Which news efficiency I've been using. So if I go down to Tools and System Tools, go to my NVIDIA display settings, it's installed the latest NVIDIA driver. Okay. Use time there. Oh, by the way, it's a full install. It's not in VirtualBox for the simple reason VirtualBox don't like it very much. It maxes out your CPU. Yeah. Boom. So as you can see, anyway, we're using 319.17. That's one of the latest ones from NVIDIA. Okay. As you can see, I've got a little crappy card in this one, but it's fine for what I'm using it for at the moment. I think they're only about 15 quid now, but it's better than on-board graphics. Okay. That's all you got to remember. I'm just got a bit of a drinkage here. Give me up. Sort of shandy. Very nice. Very warm here. So I'll just cool down, baby. Cool. Anyway, got your KDE stuff, as usual. Got your widgets down here, your activities, all the usual stuff, if you know what you're doing in KDE. I mean, that don't really bother me too much, to be honest with you. All that little bits and bobs. I like to get my desktop doing stuff that I want to do. But lots and lots of you do like KDE. And now I've installed it again and done the video again on this particular machine. It's very, very nice. I can't really fault it. Comes with plenty of applications, although I have installed quite a few on top. Blue Devil for your Bluetooth, Firefox for your web browser of choice. I've updated the full system, so it should be on Firefox 21 now, so we can have a look. Go to help and about Firefox. No, it's on 17. Why isn't it upgraded to 21? I did update the system. I'll go and do it again in a minute, just in case, actually. Okay, so here's that thing. We go to Google. I've installed it. You have to install Flash, by the way. You can get it in their software center, which I will show you in a minute. We go to the tube, and we'll go to one of mine. Just so we're not breaking the law, okay? We're not breaking the law. Good one there. That's a good one there. Anyway, where was I? Yeah. Go down to me. We go to my channel. Bearing in mind, this is only a dual-core machine. I'm recording at the same time. It is pretty hardware intensive, I would say this, okay? Hardware intensive. So you don't really want to put it on an old machine. We'll just click on here. That's the last one I've done. Okay. That's it. Play, baby, play. Play. And there we go. She starts playing. I know a bit of Shandy. You can probably use some music in the background, but hey. Yeah, so that's that way. So I've installed Flash and all that. That all works. Hunky little door. We go back to Google. Come on, today be good. I want to go back today. Right. We'll close it. Right. Thank you. I have noticed, so Firefox has been a bit, should we just call it laggy for the past month or so? Especially when you're going to Google Plus or something like that. The pages take ages to load. But if you use Chromium or Chrome, it's like almost instantaneous. So yeah, anyway, yeah, that's out of the box. Okay, on our bottom bar, it's usual KDE, so all the usual stuff up there, okay. As you can see, I've got Audacity open as well, and I've got Firefox is not open as well. The Mageia Control Center, or Mageia. Why do you say that? So type in the password. I'm going to go and open that Mageia Control Center. Here you can install and remove software, but there is a shortcut for it in the menu. You can't update your system, so you know what? We're going to give that a go, I think, just in case my system. Yes, you can contact the mirror list, blah blah blah. Just make sure. I upgraded it already once already. So there's nothing that's not upgraded Firefox. It's a bit of a bum, isn't it? Really? Okay. we'll quit that. Configure your updates for frequencies, or frequency updates, you know what I'm saying. You've got your hardware management here. Browser can configure your hardware. Should we go there? Yeah, look. Loading and please wait. Loading and please wait. So this is the actual machine I've got it on, which you'll see very shortly. Got my stuff there, mouse keyboard, memory, how much memory got in there? Drop that down, shall we? Oh, I've got 2 bundles, yeah. Oh, I've got 4 gig in there. I didn't even know that. Did you know that? I didn't even know that. Ethernet card, USB sound devices. The processor I'm using, there you go, is the Pentium CPU E12. Oh, it's a 2180. I put it 2100. What made me think that? I don't know. Anyway, yeah. Very nice. So that's my hardware. Yeah, bloody blah blah. Got webcam and all that's plugged in. Video card. Yeah. So that's out of the way. Configure your 3D desktop. Set up the graphical server. Already done all that, mate. Already done all that. Set up your network. It's already done for you, unless you want to do other stuff, obviously. Network sharing you can do from here. Your local disks. Manage your disks. There's my little CD burner or DVD burner as well. Security and boot. So that's it. Then the next on the bottom panel we have the system settings. Hello, system settings. Now, if you've used KDE or XFCE, they all look very similar, don't they? And they just do what you want it to do. Stuff up, click on desktop effects. Excuse me. Double click, should I say. You can do all stuff like this and change all the views, etc. Looking glass, magnify. If you like customising your system, KDE and Enlightenment are one of the best out there, really. KDE, if you've got a nearly new computer. If you haven't, E17 Enlightenment is the baby for you. Excuse me. Anyway, where was I? Oh, yeah. Done that, didn't I? Office. LibreOffice is default, so it all works nicely. I'll just quickly go to LibreOffice Calc. We'll just open it for you, make sure it all works, which it does. Oh, that's really fast. Lovely jubbly. I'm liking it. Does what it says. I like it. Yeah, nice. I couldn't use it as a work machine, really, could I? Using KDE and Mageia for desktop recording and stuff like that in VirtualBox, because this machine just wouldn't handle it. But if you've got a 4 or 6 core machine, it will do the business. Okay, and the graphics: acquire images, DNG converter, Gimpage, GwenView for your image editing, well, it's basic stuff. Sorry, image viewer, should I say? KSnapper for snapping stuff. Okay, screen capture. Under more, I've installed Blender. Yes, I have, because I don't mind doing a bit of blenderage. There you go. It's 2.65. Does what it says on tin. Nice, lovely jubbly. What more can I say? Not really, could I? Okay, so sound and video. Right. Amrock is by default. Audacity does not come with it, okay? Nor does F-Desktop, nor does Kden Live. Although Kden Live looks really, really nice in its KDE environment. That I must say. Get KMix for your mixer, Pulse Audio, which should work bleeding properly, record my desktop, which I'm using today to record it with you, and under more I've got Lives, which is a video editor. I don't know if you've ever used it before. I've not used it for a long time. I keep meaning to download the new beta and see what it's like. I reckon it's really hot, so I might give that a go. I'll open this one up for you. I've done a video on it, many moons ago. Many moons ago. Yeah, because you can do live video stuff with it as well. That's why it's called Lives. But you can use it as an ordinary image viewer, or sorry, a video editor, should I say. What's in this lemonade? I don't know. There we go. And this is in the clip mode. You can put your clips in the timeline, etc. Or you can go in the continuous mode. Yeah, that's enough of that. We'll have to do another video on that, won't we, really, I think. Anyway, back to the video, back to the bottom more. Of course, I've installed OpenShot. It doesn't actually look too bad, actually, I must admit, once it's in here. There we go. It looks quite, it actually fits in KDE, doesn't it, if you know what I mean? Yeah, I thought it, anyway. Yeah, anyway, that's enough of that. Goodbye, see you later. That's it, go away, don't sing anymore. Is that another sound of it? Yes, another sound of video. And the tools. You get your system tools and you get Archibug. I like Chibug. Do you like Chibug? Character selector, Kipper, consoles, all here. Regional settings and more. My flash player is there. Go to system tools. Mageia control center, we've already been there. And the system control center, or system manager is here. System settings. Cases guard is here. Yeah. Let's open it up. And just tells us what's happening, okay? So, as you can see, I'm recording at the same time, and it's not too bad, okay? A lot of other distros will do a lot better than this, okay? It's using a 0.46 gigabyte of my 4 gig of RAM. Yeah, that's about it. So it does like its stuff, isn't it? If you've got a nice CPU, a new system, I reckon this would be a lot better for it. But on an older machine, I mean, this one is getting it must be pretty old now. Really, when you think about it. It's getting pretty old. Yeah, so for new systems only, I'm thinking. Some documentation here, so you got the help and the manual in English. You got your favourites, recently used, run and leave. Do you want to leave? I don't know, do you want to leave? I don't know. I'll open home for you. Let's just show you that. There's some stuff that didn't work to start with. Can you see the first three? Yeah. Anyway, right, Mageia 3. I couldn't actually use it personally, although its implementation of KDE is very, very nice. It is just a pity you can't use it on a little bit older hardware. It's only the afternoon, what am I having? You really need a newer machine. So I would say 2 years old or 3 years old, it would fly on. What I'm using here must be coming up 6-7 years old. It's a dual core machine. You know, it's just not really cutting it to do lots and lots of stuff. But if you're only doing web browsing, a bit of office stuff, it'll do its stuff, and it's a nice base. I can rate it. Now, I'm going to rate it on my personal opinion, so I don't want anybody going around my ass and shoot me. But I'm going to give Mageia 88. It's a very nice implementation of KDE, but it's just not for me. Sneekylinux, going out. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.